Hi everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller adventure, and today I'm down at Cabarita, which is a suburb in Sydney, and I'm going to show you around. Families come down for barbecues, play games, there's kids equipment and stuff. Looks like there's a film crew here today, other than us. Not really sure what they're doing, but it looks like they're setting up some sort of film production.
Commercial or a movie.
Would you swim in this water?
Oh.
Yeah, you would.
I'd jump in,
Yeah.
Got your sculptures by the sea here.
Oh yeah, little sculpture.
Sculptures, buddies.
They are interesting.
Right
It'd be nice if they had a little sign or something explaining what was going on with them. Very unusual. Okay. Alright guys, this is Cabarita swimming pool. As you can see, it has a nice view of the water. I've been there a few times. It's a nice place to relax on a sunny day.
Still a bit cold to swim, I think.
Yeah. Nowhere near warm enough for me.
I can do not us Euros.
I can't wait for the borders to open to be able to go overseas.
It's going to be a while, eh?
Oh yes.
I can imagine the congestion and everyone's going to be wanting to go overseas.
Yeah. I'm not really sure, to be honest. You never know. Some people might still be afraid. Because it's funny how some people react to things.
Yeah, depends where you're travelling as well.
Some people would love to go, other people would be like, no, let's travel around Australia, help the economy here.
I kind of got no fear, I'll travel anywhere. Right?
Yeah. I went to Hong Kong during the riots, during the protests and the riots, yeah.
That would be interesting.
Yeah, we didn't see anything.
It wasn't as
because it is possible to avoid, especially when you have people over there that live there, so they know where the riots will be. They've got apps on their phone that alert them to like places not to go, because there's congestion and things like that. So there was no chance of us bumping into any of those issues, except for possibly at the airport. But before we got there, they'd changed some laws and made it really like no one's going to protest at the airport. They put up the security measures at the airport really high. To get inside the airport, you had to show your boarding pass just to get inside.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and that's very unnormal. Like normally you have to do that only to get into airport side.
Yeah.
But just to go into the actual airport, yeah. And there was this kid, or this volunteer, because I went for the disability youth camp as a carer, and there was a volunteer there who works for a multi-million-dollar company. He's like a really upper-class kind of young guy, and he had to call me and get me to send him a picture of my boarding pass, so that would allow him to to come into the airport to see us off because he wanted to hang out with us until we got on the plane.
Chaos.
Yeah. So what's this place called? De Albora Marinas. Dining and bar, ice cream.
Hey James.
Hello, buddy. You want ice cream, Mel?
You want to give me a
Daytime?
What's this? Is this apple? Oh, I see. From Papa's. Yeah, probably bad. Yeah, can I get one of them? Hey, you want a one, mate? A Magnum? And a Magnum. No, I want the almond. Almond. Hey, two. Almonds, like nuts? Yeah, almonds. Yeah, and another one of them.
Magnum or Gaytime?
I just had. You also want this?
Yeah, give me a Magnum. Give me a Magnum.
Wait, when did it come this morning?
That one.
Or
The
yesterday?
nut one?
Yeah.
That's the one on the left?
Yeah, I thought so. You guys didn't even say hi to me. I was in the truck. They did? No, they opened. 13:15. Shit, I already opened it. Is that alright? He has them. Sorry, you guys are here all the time. We're talking to Papa. Yeah, you might as well.
Hey mate, can I get a Gaytime and you wanted the Magnum with the nuts?
Yeah, with the almonds.
Which Magnum?
The one with the almonds or something?
Oh, Magnum Renegade Time?
Yeah. And what other Magnum did you have? Did you have the one with caramel?
Yeah, we got the caramel, brownie, almond.
I want the caramel. I'll get the caramel one. I'll swap it for the Gaytime. Thanks, mate.
$8.
So, thanks, champ. Yeah. I think that's just the restaurant, bro. Ooh. Little marina.
Look at this place, man. Doesn't that look mad?
The grey one.
Yeah.
But any of them, serious.
It looks like something like just out of this world. It's way different.
They've got the freezer up too high.
What is it make? Is that what's making noise?
No, the ice cream's a little bit too frozen.
Oh, out there. I thought you heard that buzzing sound. Like the freezer's too.
Look. Bella femmina. Allora.
Oh, restaurant. pretty sure there's a beach down here.
Yep.
That's high tide or something.
Let's go have a look.
That's it.
Wait for me. No, not that way. Stop. Stop. Wait. Wait, stop this, Mummy. You have to.
It's alright.
Turn this way. This way. You didn't turn that real. You didn't. You didn't turn this way.
Yeah, so I don't know. In my opinion, I wouldn't swim here because it doesn't smell too great. It smells like extra salty. That looks like a war memorial or something, does it? To you?
Yeah,
Sort of reminds me of something from Asheville Park.
same Masonic.
Across there is Cabarita ferry station.
Heaps dirty down here. That's Breakfast Point.
Okay. And Breakfast Point Apartments.
Yeah.
When we were working with Andrew, we moved an apartment over there, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, I think.
With two of your friends.
That's right, I think we did, eh?
Saltmarsh. Saltmarsh plants occupy transitional zones between wet and dry land and are typically found in the upper tidal zone of estuary systems along the New South Wales coastline. So that would be a salt marsh.